Hello, Hathorians, and welcome to another episode of Nano Insights. Today, we're joined by the guys at Kelb, Ben and Emil. How are you guys doing today?
Very good.
We're good.
Amazing, great to have you guys. So, for any new viewers checking in today, what we're doing is we're going through an introductory episode with Kelb, just getting to know the guys, asking them a few questions. And the idea is that in the next few months within the testing phase, we'll then catch up with them again and find out how their process of testing is going on testnet with Nano Contracts. But for the time being, let's catch up with these guys. So, Ben and Emil, tell us about yourselves.
My name is Emil. I have been in and out of crypto for 8 years. I have a degree in computer science. I've been programming for about 12 years, and I've been 2 years in the banking industry. My main hobbies are making websites. I've been making book recommendations with neural networks, name generators, and I've been helping kids read. Mainly, I love making websites.
My name is Ben. I'm a Swiss economist. I've been in crypto since 2015 and also several years in Hathor. You might know me as the price chat moderator on Telegram, and I'm also the founder of the OTC group on Telegram.
Yeah, great to hear from you guys. Ben, I know you from the community. Definitely always see you in the price chat moderating. Great job over there. And yeah, Hathor OTC, I remember during the last bull run, you guys were really, really active. Your group was probably more active than most. And it was great to see the NFT wave play out the way it did with all the projects and you guys thinking of innovative ways to kind of help each other. So it was super cool. So, guys, now we want to talk about the history of Kelb. So, tell us how it all started and why Hathor was your chain of choice.
So I started in Hathor when my friend, one of the Kelb co-founders, showed me the Hathor Android wallet. I was super impressed by the speed of the wallet when he sent me tokens. It just shows instantly in my wallet. And he was using a custom token he just created earlier. So I just joined the Discord and started trading custom tokens. And then I saw in the swap that was going on at the moment that I could make maybe a website that could show more data and be more accessible. So I talked to a few of my friends and we gathered a few $100s and created a custom token. And then I created like a few Dex Tools and added the token to a swap. And then that's when Ben came in and started talking to us.
Yeah, I was one of the first people to join. When I joined, it was super small. I think there was like 5 people in the Telegram group.
Yeah.
But I noticed that this project, um, it had a website, it had tools, it had a Telegram bot, I believe. It had a token, and I think most importantly, it had a very good concept. And I was amazed that the market cap of this project was like $300 to $600. Half it was about $1 and was trading between 0.01 and 0.02 Hathor. So I joined the project. I didn't get any allocation, but I managed to buy a good amount for very little. And then we made a few changes, but nothing fundamental. I mean, it was like a diamond in the rough, and I kind of came in and I'd say I polished it, but everything was already there when I came. And within 1 week, we managed to push the price to about 5 Hathor, and the supply is 30,000, a little above. So our market cap went from a few $100s to $150,000 in 1 week. And I thought that was absolutely amazing. And since then, we've just been developing and running the project. We've just been going on. I mean, we're there to build. And I mean, the bear market is just something transitory. There will be better times, of course.
No, great to hear. Yeah, actually, going back to your point, Emil, about the Dex tools, and Ben, you had come in, you'd seen the potential of this project, and look, like during better market conditions, you managed to take it to over 150K market cap, which is super impressive for a community project. So, you know, congrats for you guys at that time. And definitely, this is a wave of period, which is temporary market conditions affecting projects industry wide. But yeah, going back to what Emil said about the Dex tool. So for those that don't know, Kelb actually, they've been around for a while and they actually have more than one product. So I understand Kelb is splitting that to actual two products at the moment. You've got the Dex Tools website, which has all of the information there. I think linked to the Explorer. It has all of the tools and all of the things you need. Presented in a very easy way. A lot of the admins refer people to the Dex tools in terms of when people want to know about random statistics. They sometimes put the Kelb one out, and I think it's because it's a really easy tool to use. In addition to the Dex tools, you guys also have Kelb Swap. So yeah, tell the community about. I know you've gone into Dex tools a little bit. Tell us about the Dex tools and also tell us mainly about Kelb Swap.
I will cover the Dex Tools part. As I said, we have different tools. For example, when new NFTs are minted on the network, they show up on our website. We also have a tokenomics page, and we also had Telegram bots that were also related to Hathor Swap. Let me quick talk about the token. A token is low supply, and holders that have 100 or more, they can join a token-gated community. That's one of our main utility cases. The second case is that in the future, these holders will also be able to earn dividends from Kelp Swap.
So yeah, we're making a Kelp swap while we're waiting for the testnet. It's centralized. So I created a API with a wallet, and at the moment you can send tokens to a address, and if you send Hathor, you get the token back, and if you send the token, you get Hathor. So at the moment we are centralized, but in the future we will swap out the API with a Nano, and we will be completely decentralized.
Amazing. Sounds very different. Can't wait to see how you guys will interact with nano contracts during the testnet phase. I guess a lot of these proof of concepts come to life and also diversify when you guys get to start testing to see what the true abilities of this technology is. You guys might even come up with different functionalities, different ideas, and as and when blueprints come out, you might find that they also becomes, again, like I said, different functionalities that you guys can add to your project. So with Kelb, is there anything that we can expect in the near future?
Yes, we would like to announce our launch very soon. Kelp Swap is already fully functional. We have 7 pairs, 5 very well-known projects, the tokens of those projects, plus 2 test tokens. And we would like to also give away test tokens called Bull and Bear for anybody who posts their Hathor address and tells us if they are a bull or a bear. And we would be very happy if you use it. You can sell into the liquidity, you get free Hathor, you can keep that Hathor, or you can use that Hathor to buy other tokens. Anything is fine. We're just happy if you use a swap and you see how reliable and easy to use it is.
Amazing. So you guys are making an initiative for people to test out the current phase of the swap with using custom tokens. And I know you mentioned that there are quite a few pairs you've got active. Did you want to mention any of the pairs that you have that will be happening with coming with the launch?
Yes, I can mention all of them. There is Kelb, of course. There is NST, the Nile Swap token. There's Arc of Hathor Arcade, or I think they renamed themselves because they're Metaverse now. There's Cather, the oldest community coin or meme coin on Hathor. There is Dumb, also a meme coin. Plus, of course, are two test tokens called Bear and Bull.
Amazing. Yeah, a couple of projects. Well, all of them are ones I really know about. NASWAP, of course. We've got Arc. The guys that again they were originally Hathor Arcade. Now they're Arc. They'll be on the next episode of Nano Insights. And yeah, Cathor, of course, and all of the rest. So yeah, it sounds like a really cool initiative, a cool way for people to start using the platform. And you know, we can't wait for you guys to test Nano Contracts on the next phase of Nano Insights. But until then, um, Ben, Emil, thank you so much for joining me today. I know it's the evening for both you guys and myself, but you know, we love Hathor. We do our thing, and let's build, man.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
it was good
much.
talking. Thank you.
I'm sure we'll
Thank
We
you.
catch.
hope to be back.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
definitely.
I'm sure we'll catch up off this call anyway. But yeah, as soon as we have some more insights from testnet, you'll be seeing the guys from Kelb again. And tune into the next episode where the guys at ARC will join us for their introductory episode and we learn about them. But until then, thank you for coming and speak to you on the next one. Cheers.
Cheers. Bye
Cheers.
bye.